If DaVinci Resolve is giving you an uninstall error on Windows, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix so you can remove the program properly and clear out the issue without getting stuck. This is especially useful if the uninstall button is failing, the process is freezing, or Windows is refusing to remove the app because of corrupted installation files or locked processes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. All right, let's get into it. First, make sure DaVinci Resolve is completely closed. If the app is still running in the background, Windows may block the uninstall process. You can close it normally from the program itself, or if needed, open Task Manager and end any DaVinci Resolve processes that are still active. This step is important because a locked process is one of the most common reasons uninstall errors happen. Next, open Windows Settings. You can do this by clicking the Start menu and selecting Settings, or by pressing Windows plus I on your keyboard. Once Settings opens, go to Apps, then choose Installed Apps. This is the main uninstall manager in Windows, and it lets you find programs already installed on your system. Now scroll through the list or use the search bar and type DaVinci Resolve. When you see it, click the three dots next to it, then select Uninstall. Windows will ask you to confirm, so go ahead and accept the prompt. At this point, the uninstall process should begin. If it works, great, let it finish completely. But if you get an error or the uninstall fails halfway through, don't panic. That usually means the installation is corrupted, or Windows doesn't have the right permissions to remove everything cleanly. When that happens, we'll use a second method. Open the Control Panel next. The quickest way is to search for Control Panel in the Start menu and launch it. Once you're inside, click on Programs, then choose Programs and Features. This is the older legacy uninstall tool, and sometimes it works better than the modern Settings app when an app refuses to uninstall normally. Inside Programs and Features, look for DaVinci Resolve in the list of installed programs. Once you find it, right-click on it and choose Uninstall, or select it and use the Uninstall option at the top. Again, follow any prompts that appear on screen. This method can often force the uninstall through when the newer method fails. If the program starts removing itself, let it finish without interrupting the process. Don't restart the computer in the middle of it, and don't close the window unless the uninstaller specifically asks you to. If Windows is able to complete the removal, that means the uninstall error has been bypassed successfully. After the uninstall is done, the final step is very important. Restart your system. A reboot helps clear out any leftover locked files, temporary processes, or services that may still be hanging around in the background. It also helps Windows refresh after removing the application, which can prevent future errors if you decide to reinstall DaVinci Resolve later. So to quickly recap, the fix is close DaVinci Resolve, uninstall it from Windows Settings, and if that doesn't work, use Control Panel and Programs and Features as the fallback method. Then restart your computer to clear any remaining files or processes. That's usually enough to solve the uninstall error in most cases. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and comment below if you want help with other DaVinci Resolve problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.